Man, it is hot. It is 105 in my garage, and it's extremely hot today. But I have gotten some work done on the 41 Dodge weapons carrier, and it's kicking my ass today. But once it cools down a little bit, I'm gonna get on again. So let me turn the camera around and show you what we have done today. Let me zoom out here. I'm in the garage, which is a little cooler outside. There's a little breeze. I worked on the rims, got the rims apart, wire wheeled them, got them all sanded down, and hit them with some Rust-Oleum. Hopefully I'll never see the inside of those rims again. That'll be the next person's problem. But alright, so I got a lot of stuff coming in the mail today. I got 2 brand new tires, or inner tubes. That was still in the bag. I got the 2 new tube liners. They smell like cigarette smoke. Alright. Let's start with the one thing that pissed me off. I bought 2 jerry cans this week. I got a old World War II British jerry can coming because there's 2 spots to put gas cans on the side of this thing. Then I got this one because this one's a toolbox. You turn this, it lifts up, and you can put some tools in here. I figured that'd be kind of a nice way to store some tools. Oh, I got it. It was all broken, so that's going back. So I got another one coming. Should have it next week. So I got repacked the wheel bearings still. I got some more grease. Got the new master cylinder in the mail. I gotta get that primed to put on. I got the socket for the hub nuts. It's 8-point, something a little different. 2 and 9/16, 8-point. All mine were 6-point. I got the wiper seals for the knuckles, replacing those. I got seals for the front hubs and the rears. I got the wheel smash. This wheel cylinder has been rebuilt. I got the other one put on, but I haven't got this one. A new brake light switch that goes on that. Some silicone, oil filter. Got some paint so I can paint the rims when I'm done. And let's see, let's walk over here to the bench. The messy bench here. Getting ready to repack the wheel bearings. I got the drums all, I gotta do a little more sanding right here. But I've been sanding on them with some, what is this? Like 36 grit. So get those cleaned up. The races look good. So that's good. So let's run around outside. Alright, this is a spare tire. I sanded that rim today, wire wheeled it, got it cleaned up. Got 1 coat of paint on there. I got 2 different shades of olive drab. So I gotta probably use the other can, it's a little darker. Got the tent put up today, try to keep me out of the sun. Helped a little bit. You can tell I'm getting old when I get one of these gardening mats for my knee. Alright. Okay, this side's all cleaned up. I got the brake shoes all sanded down, all cleaned up, all the oil off them. Gonna start reassembling this side. When I get this side all together, I'll go finish the other side. I got some 90 weight. I got to fill up there's a plug right there for the differential. But yeah, it's starting to cool down a little bit. It's actually, so shade helps, and it looks like there's some clouds. There was some clouds moving in a little while ago, but hopefully I got Sunday and Monday off. I should have enough of everything to get, if nothing else goes wrong, I should be able to get the entire front end put back together and the brakes bled, the tires on the rims, all that back on, and be completely done with the front end here. The only thing I don't have, and I'm not even going to worry about it right now, is the brake hoses. The line that attaches on the inside is really rusty, and if I damage that taking it apart, I can't really get up inside there to replace it. So what I'm thinking of is, you know, I'm going to run with it for now. Down the road, I might have to take apart the inner fenders or do something else and just redo all the brake lines because they're all pretty well rusted, but they're not leaking, so I'm going to run with them for now. I mean, this thing isn't a race car, or is it? All right, this is half an update. I'm going to stop now and get some more work done. We'll check back in a little later. All right, so bye. It's about 8 o'clock on a Saturday night. Today's mission has been anything but easy. It's been hot, very hot. I mean, like 105, 110 in the garage, and out here it's starting to cool down. It's about 8 o'clock. So I'm trying to get things finished up for the night. Tomorrow I got a big day putting the tires on the rims, and I want to have everything done here on the front of the truck, which I'm getting pretty close. It's just, this is, kiss your ass. Good warm fireball. Ugh. It's not bad. All right, let me turn this around and show what we're doing right now. This is the second video. It's way too hot. Oh, there we are. Okay, let me back this up a little bit. I got the other side all put together, but I just want to show where I'm at here. Backing plate's been all cleaned. I got the shoes all sanded down, got all the oil off the shoes. Rebuilt the wheel cylinder, both wheel cylinders. Got all the nuts, bolts, everything cleaned up. Wheel bearings repacked. New seals, sand down the drum. Oh, don't mind that over there. There's my $30 socket for the 8-point 2 9/16 axle nut, but really makes it the job a lot easier. So, all right, the only thing I had a problem with, and let me turn this back around. Back here are these oil seals. I took this off on the other side, and I bought a kit, and it said an 8-bolt kit. Well, those are 8 bolts, but it don't work. It ain't the right one. So I'm not going to take this side apart. I'll have to reorder a felt piece that goes inside this bracket when you take it apart, and I'll just make my own gasket. So for $10, not counting the $30 I already spent on the one I can't use, that I already tried to use, so now I can't return it. Live and learn. But that's where we're at right now. Let's see. I got the tire mounted, and I really can't see right now the paint. I got it matched pretty good, but whew, I can't believe it's still so hot. It's like, I don't know, it's about 85, 86 degrees, and it's 8 o'clock at night, 8:30. But this side is ain't gonna work. This side's all put back together. I got the brake shoes adjusted right up. I still need to put the new master cylinder on, and once I get the other side done, might do that tonight. For some reason, I think I'm working on an anthill, because as I sit here, I see ants crawling across my leaf springs. Where'd they go? Am I seeing things? Yeah, right there. There's an ant, and they're all over the place. Oh, they're on the ground. Oh, they're my brake parts I need. So, all right, I'm gonna get back to it because I'm gonna get greasy. But this will probably be the last half of this video for today. Tomorrow I'll try and figure out how I can set the camera up and maybe do a time-elapsed putting the tires on the rims. All right, so I want to add this to the other one. Getting technical now. All right, y'all. Have a great day. Simplify. All right. Here we are. It's today's Sunday, second day working on the 1941 Dodge weapons carrier. Worked on it pretty late last night because around 8 o'clock it started getting a little cooler out, so I got a few things done. But today I've been waiting. I think it's almost 5 o'clock now. It's still 106. But I gotta get these tires mounted, so it's not that super difficult. It's just this sweating all over everything makes it suck. But I want to do it before it gets late because I don't want to run the air compressor and the impact wrenches, courtesy of my neighbors. So let me flip this around and show you. All right, since I don't feel like doing this on the ground, I'm going to put these together in the back of my truck. For the most part, I got my anti-seize, my impact socket, air hose, air compressors hooked up. Got the tube liner, and the this is the good rim, or the better of the two, which cleaned up really good in the ring there. So once I get them out, I'm going to repaint them. But that's my goal right now. It's a lot easier putting them together than taking them apart, from what I can tell from my YouTube certification. So here it goes. Can't really do a time elapsed, and I just don't feel like it. So anything exciting happens, I'll turn the camera back on. Oh boy. Okay, second tire is done, and I just happen to know something. The valve stem, it sits way low here. Perfect. Nothing's going to hit it. And then I come over here, the one I did first time, and it's sticking way out. So I gotta take that tire apart and redo it because that's definitely going to hit something. So yeah, that's cooled down to about 98. So this one should be a lot easier this time around. All right, wrapping things up for Labor Day weekend. Luckily I had 3 days off, and just about all the parts I ordered last week came in, so I got quite a bit done today, or over the weekend, but not all at one time, and it was hot, and that's kind of kicked my ass a little bit, especially yesterday putting the tires on. But let's spin it around and show you what we've got done, because I am just all but done. I'm gonna do one more thing tomorrow because I'm just beat. So let's show. All right, we'll get focused here. We can get focused. There we are. Yeah, look at that. Okay. So I'm gonna add a couple smaller videos to this that I did, and some pictures, I guess. I'm gonna try and get a little fancy on my YouTube page here. But what I've done the last week is I got the new tires put on the rims, cleaned up the rims, new tubes, new tires, new inner tubes. Did the brakes. The brake shoes are good, so I just cleaned them up and rebuilt the wheel cylinders, put a new master cylinder on, bled the brakes, everything's good, changed the differential fluid in the front. That was nice and clean, everything good was good there. Greased everything, and all I got left to do before I let it on the ground is I had the brakes just adjusted up, but then when I put the tires on, I could really spin them a little more than I could without the tires on. So I need to get in there and adjust the brake shoes up so I get a better brake pedal. So I'm not going to take it off the jack stands just yet, and I'll probably wait till tomorrow because I just took the engine degreaser and cleaned up all the grease and oil and everything, and it's still a little wet down there. So, and that got the ants all pissed off. But hey, the ring light just came on. So that's where we're at. Not exactly hard work. It's just a pain in the ass when it's hot out, and getting down on the ground is not as easy as it used to be. Actually, getting down there is the hard part. That's kind of hard. Once I'm down there, I'm fine. But you know, anything else, you get down on the ground, you get comfortable, and can't find what you need, and you gotta get back up and go find another 10mm socket. All right, just kidding. There's no 10mm sockets on this baby. So, all right, well, that's it. Wrapping it up for the Labor Day weekend. It's getting closer and closer. Figure out what I'm going to do with this next weekend. Maybe start the rear end, pull it apart, see how it looks, drain the transfer case and the transmission, and do an oil change. I think that's in store for next weekend. And there's a whole lot of wires going nowhere under here, so I gotta work on that. So thanks for tuning in on this. What would this be? Basically day 4 combination. So I want to wrap things up, put things away, get out a brand new bar of lava soap, take a shower, take a break, order some more parts, do it again next weekend.